Want to get pregnant fast? Here are the tips by Dr. Sudeshna Ray. Tip number 1. Have regular sex. If you really want to conceive naturally, then peno-vaginal penetrative sex is the only way out. There is no other alternative, and have it regularly. Often I have these couples coming with fertility challenges, and when I ask them about their coital frequency, they say once in a week or once in 2 weeks. How much ever you think or your partner thinks that he is an Arjun and can hit the fish eye in one go, it usually doesn't happen. The regular you have sex, the higher are the chances of pregnancy. You can have it daily, you can have it several times a day, you can have it on alternate days. Everything works as long as it is not done under pressure and it is done with pleasure. Tip number 2. Know your menstrual period, know your menstrual cycle very well, and you can predict the ovulation dates naturally. You actually don't need any fancy kits, but a little mental note of the dates of ovulation or a simple app on your phone is a good guide enough. Do not miss having sex during the days of ovulation or around the time of ovulation. Tip number 3. The usual ovulation dates fall around the day 12 to day 14 of a 28-day cycle. The best time or the best chance to get pregnant is to have sex within 3 days before ovulation and about 2 days after ovulation.
Number 1. Work on your lifestyle, which includes your diet and exercises, which are essential for a healthy pregnancy and for preparing your body for labor. So, focus on eating a balanced diet to support your growing baby and prepare your body for labor. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Next, exercise. Do exercises like walking, prenatal yoga, Pilates, or swimming regularly. All these are great exercises for pregnant women to help strengthen your pelvic muscles and to prepare your body for labor. Number 2, practice relaxation techniques. Techniques such as deep breathing exercises, visualization, and meditation can help you stay calm and focused during labor. Practice these techniques regularly during your pregnancy period itself, so that by the time when you enter into labor, it becomes a natural part of your coping mechanism. Number 3, try to attend childbirth education classes, because that will help you understand and learn about the birthing process, different pain management techniques available, and what to expect during labor. It can also provide you with the confidence and knowledge that is needed to make informed decisions during labor. Number 4, list down your preferences for labor and delivery if you have any, such as whom you want inside the labor room, or whether you want any kind of pain relief options, and if you have any other specific wishes for the postpartum period. Discuss this plan with your doctor so they can help you with it. Number 5, choose your birth partner who can provide you with emotional and physical support during labor. They will help you to stay focused, and they can help you with some comfort measures and motivate you during the birthing process. Number 6, choose a doctor with whom you are confident and comfortable. It is important to be with the one whom you trust and who respects your wishes. Number 7, surround yourself with supportive and positive people. Being with a supportive partner, family, and friends can boost your confidence, and they can provide you emotional and practical support during labor and delivery. Remember, every birth is different, and it's important to be flexible and open to changes in your birth plan as labor progresses. With all these preparations, support, and positive mindset, you can definitely increase your chances of having a successful normal delivery.